But ladies and gentlemen, like this now, I tell you now, I always like when you see young people that when they do their best possible to make sure say they make a living for themselves. Not be everybody go work for inside bank. Not everybody go work for inside some kind of oil company and place. Not everybody go do some kind of work. Some other people got to do some other work to make everything complete. You get me now? Some time back, I made this particular young guy, and he been giving me a gist, and he touched me. The gist touched me. How I take reach where in day today. And I say, make I carry and come on top this show for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, his name is Richard, but now I'm the CEO of Green Pastures Footwear. Richie! How far now?
I did.
How far?
I feel good.
Now. Before, I for not even like me, they even just open the whole thing like this just now. But anyway, you go share. Richie,
yes,
Wagwan.
I did.
I'm going to look my leg now. I see one kind making sense shoe. You understand? So making sense shoe, hair. Now he arrange this particular thing. Some people say na cobbler.
Yes.
Some go say na shoemaker.
Shoemaker, yes.
What's the difference? Cobbler, shoemaker. Which one? Okay, we can look on.
Shoe shiner.
Shoe shiner. This.
Shoe repairer.
What's the difference?
But seriously, I was like, there's no any big difference between a shoemaker and a cobbler.
Okay.
A shoemaker is someone that makes shoe.
You go pitch in English.
Okay. Don't mind me, Jerry. I just.
So you're a businessman.
A shoemaker, mostly people they make shoe.
Yes.
A lot of them they fix shoe.
Okay.
But cobbler and a person where they craft shoe,
okay.
like something like this, because the experience where person get where they make shoe.
Yes.
Different from the one where person be saying a cobbler, but the cobbler and I get more experience past the shoe maker.
Okay.
Well, but people they don't send though. They both go say the same thing. They go say if you call a normal Nigerian person saying they make shirt or you call them tailor, you go say I know they degrade. I say make you call them designer. But that one no matter. Even man will say call me tailor. I'm tailor. And if you say so, not tailor, na classic man.
One people say na just part of packaging.
But trust me, man. So like I don't even say I'm as anything because some people they will call me. If they don't hear me, they go say, hey, you shoemaker, come here. Cobbler, come here. I'll say all like the same thing. Anyway, when you call me, I go take them. But when I bring waiting, I don't.
Yes.
You go believe waiting. I be so.
Okay, now Richard, quickly, because you don't first give me gist of how you go into shoemaking. I don't know some of your works, but they wear one of them right now on point shoes and way they make like this. Yeah. Finishing, I mean, I did very, very particular about finishing, and now one thing I respect about it. But before you reach all this stage, now you don't first tell me about how you take start and how you take go into all these things. Yes. Just quickly, just give us summary of the full gist of how you take reach where you can make shoes. Yeah,
as the way I take start they make shoes was I know they no born me with somebody will be say I no study how to make shoes.
What you study for school?
Actually, I studied I have a BSc in political science.
Political science,
yes,
BSc political science.
Yes.
So that more I know.
So the major thing is when I do my NYC, that period it was like there was nothing much for me to do. I've been stay for Aja. Okay. I come the south for Badagry.
Yeah.
So it was like one end of Lagos to the other end of Lagos. So most of the time I realized I don't get anything I do. But I realized when I did small, I get this talent. Say I started by just maybe I did sketch shoes. Okay. But I never know everything I would do with that. But when I did that Badagry camp, the kind of way they hit me, I just tell myself, say the Lord says, whatever your hand find, do
it well.
I just remember, say I feel do all this kind, I feel actually start this thing.
Yes.
I can't buy Toms. That period Toms, they rain well.
Yes.
I buy the Toms, 8,000. It didn't do me 2 weeks, it didn't scatter. My head, knack.
Wow.
I said I go carry this kind, my hot alawi money.
Can't go the thing.
And the thing just, I can't carry the shoe, open them, scatter them. Can't sketch them out. I mean, even because I know there for Lagos. I come from Abuja.
Okay.
So I can't ask one tailor with them. I say, you know any person they sell material for this Lagos? He can't say, Mushin. I think just call Mushin. I just started find my way from Badagry.
They come this side.
I come. As I enter Mushin like this, first when I enter Mushin, I sleep for there. I just see some guys who they make shoes. I sit down there for like 2 hours. Next thing, I just go buy materials. I go buy I don't even go meet the guy. I borrow scissors, cut material. I get one guy with the sew. I sharply go give that guy. The guy sew him. I borrow lasting plier. Some things I just borrow, but to cut the story short, the first one when I make, person just sharply buy For my hand.
For your
for my leg.
For your leg.
Now slippers now I can't carry.
I know we say you really go through any form of training for anybody
I did not go through
hand.
any form of training from anybody. You know, as that's first way they buy now slippers now I buy wear for leg. The next day, I do 24 hours. I make like 2 shoes.
Bam.
That one go.
Based on the former one productivity.
Yes. I just tell myself, say no. I can't do them, they go small. I can't realize, say, most of the boys who are there around.
Yeah.
I've been meet some boys around where they do shoes, but because of the skills when I get for sketching and all those things, they always come meet me, so make I draw pattern, give them, you know. Some of them will give me money, they beg me. If I do shoes, I will realize say people will gather for streets there because I now, instead of going back, in fact, as I talk to you like this, the only thing that was taking me back to Badagry was my CDS.
Okay.
So if I just come that side, inside market I dey sleep.
You stay inside market for how long?
I was in Mushi market for about a year.
Now there you sleep.
Now there I dey sleep. Now there I dey chop.
This hustle.
I dey use public toilets, public bathroom, all those 20 naira thing. Enter early hours of the morning.
Just enter that side sharp.
That was it. I was sleeping there. I was making footwears there. In fact, now there my church day.
For that same Mushi.
Yeah, sometimes I not be say cover day because if rain start like this, everybody go just
gather your thing,
go find one small shade,
just
stay,
go lock
you
up
know.
for that side.
So that's how bad it was. But actually, it was now my determination.
Yeah.
Because I get the option of whether I want to stay. If I made myself, I was missing in action. Most of my family, I would just call my family member. They don't even know
where you did at all.
Because it was say they knew. They would don't begin to make I come back. What are you doing?
But at that stage, you been get option of either to become thief or to do some other bad things for that particular because different guys go they involve for some kind of things.
No, it was very, as anybody who know Mushi go understand what I'm talking. I'm talking of Dakobiri, Way Streets, you know. It's a very, very popular place. I was like, even when I did the SF, they come bust. Sometimes they come bust.
Even
boys.
well up that they hustle.
In fact, there was a night I just left my table where I was working. Next thing I will see police don't come pack.
Oh man.
Enough men. So when I can't come back the next morning, some boys they go bill some boys like 10K. And they call this green, this guy, where you go, all those guys. I said, man, I just go peace. As I come reach outside, I don't know, I just left there and so it's a normal thing where we say they happen every night. They bust. Things they happen, that's just the truth. It's on the streets. So.
But right now, because I know because we continue just like this, forget. Now it will be testimony time. Yes, sir. So but now, because I've been seeing some works where you even do for the bench.
Yeah.
And you don't do for some major celebrities them. In fact, we just flashed some of them just now. We get some yellow design and all that where you be make for the likes of the bench. Okay, this one I don't want to wear for leg now. Now this one I specially made for me.
Yeah, you understand? One of Africa.
Yes, so now the one you do for the bench with this. Now logo with that.
Yeah,
how you take reach all this level where finally celebs then like this one's called the chook leg for your
it's the power of social media.
Okay.
Like somebody I met on Facebook.
Yeah.
I was like, we've been friends for like a year. That was even while I was still in school. I not tell her I say I did Lagos. Like, are you serious? And they see pictures of it and they post on Facebook. You can say, say many for liking the band's my friend. Make I come. That's Evil G, correct guy. You know? So the guy just contact me say, I make stuff. Okay. The day when he tell me I make stuff for the band, I don't get 1 naira.
Chai.
That was like the first stuff. I didn't have any money with me. I just some people I don't buy material for. I just go meet them, say I beg. Just give me small material, I go give you back, you know. And you know that's the good thing about some Igbo people. Once they know that, they don't say go remorse, make sure, and it's better they make the material day. Yes. Better make the material go bring something come inside. Exactly. So that's why they just give me material, just you know, I just go do them. As I just do them, the guy says, "What guy? This shit is good."
That mean the badge now.
Yes. The badge now, correct man. No. He said, man, this shit is good. We'll make it better. That his soul is impressed. That somebody from Nigeria can do this kind of stuff. Man.
And from there, you can't do many more from your own heart.
He do many more. In fact, he took me out of the streets.
Okay. Oh, okay. Basically, the band himself.
Yes.
Okay.
It's just that what I'm telling you, he does not know because I never told him.
Okay.
The first 5 pairs of shoes I made for him, he gave me like 260K.
Wow.
And I had to like, you know, with that I was able to like raise some cash. I was able to raise cash. And immediately I made footwears for him. Doors just started opening, you know.
Okay, who you don't
I've done for Inyanya.
Okay.
I've done for Skills. I've done for DJ Z, Samuel Posu. I've done for a lot of guys.
A good number. Well, wow. Because it be like this now because because you been get the choice to go either do one wrong thing, but you decide in your mind, say as a young person will you be, not to do it in your hand, find to do. You understand? Yeah. And what you go tell the average young guy with outside there? Now we probably just sit down now. They look say, okay, fine, make a man that you fall from heaven, make things come happen. Nobody to help me. Once now that one the easy part to talk. Yeah. I don't get help, no helper. As man, we don't reach where you did now, coming from the ground. You understand? From grass to where you did now. What you go tell the average young guy with outside?
It's like manna don't fall from heaven. Manna really fall from heaven. You guys use waiting you get. Yeah. Just like me, first of all, it was boredom, hunger, make me come realize, say, if you do something and just follow your passion. Try to always just do something. Now yam, if you saw, good surprise, person they sell yam for street side. By the time you sell yam from morning to night, in Lagos you have advantage. Anything you can do, as long as you are doing something positive, you always, first of all, you can survive. From survival, you can expand. That is just it. So what I'll say to you is that find something to do. It's not everybody that will get me now. Since I graduated from school,
it's political science.
Yes, I never crossed the line to go back to my school to go even collect my certificates. I don't even reason now. Sometimes my mama go call me say, "Won't you go and collect a certificate? This one. What if you want another job? Just come." I say, "No problem, mommy. I'm coming. Daddy, I'm coming." I've not even crossed to get it because. So, I love what I do. Okay. And what I do gives me joy. True.
Yes. All right, quickly, because, man, I say this one is very, very inspiring to every young man with there outside there and young woman with there outside there. Pursue your passion. You never know where it's going to carry you reach. Quickly, people that will follow you on top Twitter, on top Facebook or Instagram, how they'll reach you?
Yeah, on Instagram, I'm greenpastures_BALE. The same thing on Facebook, Green Pasture Ballet. The same thing on Twitter, greenpasture_BALE. So you can
BALE.
That's Bill, yeah.
Okay, Bill. Okay,
yeah,
so that's
you can meet me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. That's very.
All right. Richie,
nice
too much. All right, quickly sit down. At least you still there with me on top of the show.
Okay. I like this one. Green.
Is it your flow with your green pasture and everything?
Green. I was like, and that green thing. Now something don't follow me since I did school.
And so of course, and it mean productivity.
No, very productive. Very productive.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, like this now, me, I rock my own shoe. If you pay, you can go. All right, so quickly, we go on this break. By the time we come back, I'll get our second guest in the building here with us, and our babe. So this one different. All right, so they come back. Oh, wicked child. That's what you are a bad boy on the DJ spinning things. Wickedness. Okay, still on the late night show, ladies and gentlemen. As it be like this, I get one other guest in the building. This guy, talented young fellow, and of course, now still Nigerian, and we support the Nigerian brand. That's what it is. Now. So quickly, help me welcome Sleem in the building. Sleem. I don't know why I see Sleem, my mind they go Wiz Khalifa. Somehow they give me that Wiz Khalifa fee. And all these boys, they're Sleem, Boss Jaga Joker,
They're Khalifa.
Oh, they're Khalifa, my brother. They're Khalifa. They don't joke, you understand? I'm Levite. Brotherly. How outside now?
Yeah, I did, bro. So
man, they feel when big man are big man, then they talk with. No time to shout.
Baba, we go shout if you want.
Shout! So what's the real name?
The real name is Akbobo. I'm from Delta State.
Delta, you know, area.
Warri.
Warri, to be precise.
Yeah.
Correct. So, call your name again.
Akbobo.
You didn't lack your language.
Briefly.
Summarize that.
Sharp.
Anyway, Sleem, how long now music for you?
It's been like since, I don't do music since like I was in secondary school.
You go talk out too?
Yeah, secondary school, very early, like JS1 or 2.
Wow.
I did write to most artists out there, their songs already, I did mime and all that.
Okay, so you be the right song for even artists that we don't already come out before you.
Before I started writing for myself.
Okay, so now basically all your songs the way you get now you write your own songs.
Yeah, I compose myself. I compose for myself.
Okay, great. Sleem. Because sometimes people will collect name based on how they take.
How they look.
If you want to look me now, give me a name. Naturally, Ogbolo will come in your mind. You understand? Why the name Ogbolo? You understand? But when it's easy to play that thing where you always play for the beginning, people can't admire the name. Say, wow, my child can be called Ogbolo. But not gonna be Ogbolo. You can be Ogbolo. You know, you gotta funkify the shit. You know what I'm saying? That's how we roll, man. It's how we roll. You understand? So Sleem, where the name Sleem come out from?
Well, right from time, Eminem has been like my mentor.
Slim Shady.
I like Eminem. I write to Eminem songs, to the game and all that. Okay. So back in school then, I go boarding house, and you know I be for boarding house.
Yes, you must
you must do everything.
Yes.
Everybody get name as a matter of fact.
True.
So Slim just stick with me. They call me Slim Shady, but they like, come, I don't be Eminem, and we take it easy. So they just like, okay, Slim. And since then, it came up to when I finished school and I started chasing music.
Okay. Easy me. When did they call you for secondary school that year? What's your guy name?
I don't know. Cisco.
Cisco.
I remember now.
Cisco, nigga, what?
Banana. The dance fire.
What's in my old that time?
Drago,
They call me Chewan. Chewan, now one basketball brand that time because they play b-ball. So
Cisco way back.
That time,
remember that.
Cisco. They always call me Chewan. I didn't say the answer up and down.
Yes.
Later, my name got changed to Jumbo. I don't know why they call me Jumbo. Before later, Ogbolo come. That will call stick.
But how they bring money?
That will call they bring money. Now I grab the
Well, they
same.
feed Jumbo and they want.
You know, I know if I leave those ones there. You are divorced then, yeah, not be joke. Sleem now you don't get how many tracks on ground? How many songs you get so far?
Lots of songs, believe that.
Okay. But no album yet?
No album
Down,
yet.
they decide that one?
That one, we've already decided. We don't decide.
Okay.
An EP album is dropping, but I don't know if you tell them when.
When, okay.
Until we take them step by step. You know how they go, that kind of thing.
So what song they on ground now?
For now, it's Focused.
Focused?
Yeah.
Name me title of the track?
Yeah, it's a song I recorded this year.
Okay.
We're dropping it real soon, quick, you know.
Okay.
And the title of the EP I'm going to be dropping.
Okay.
It's titled Focused too.
Focused too.
Yeah.
All right. Because very, very importantly, we get the video and then we go just launch every make una for see the whole thing. But before we come out tomorrow for this interview, so they go now more about the song. You understand? Now that one is the more important part as far as we are concerned. But Sleem, you say you never really know when the album will launch and how many tracks we will finally decide to put inside the whole thing. But soon. Yeah. Okay. In the next 5 years, where's Sleem supposed to be? I hardly ask this question. Yeah. Understand? But sometimes I think it's very, very important. Make you know people that way get. Some people tell you, say, man, I don't know, God, go do one. Some people say, I know, me, I won't even do one for myself. So how far?
In the next 5 years, man, it's up to God, but we go just work hard. We just, anywhere we see ourselves, probably the best place there is, you know, that kind of thing. Only when you work hard, you see results, obviously. So we go to work and God will take us there. Don't be surprised, that kind of thing.
All right. Sleem, we wish you the best of the best of the best of the best.
Thank you.
I believe it'll be the last time we'll see you for this show with this. And of course, very, very soon, bigger things, bigger name everywhere.
Amen.
With the hear Sleem everywhere. That time Sleem will come my phone. But you told yourself,
true.
Because I don't see, you heights me just now. If you stand up now, you come up for this shot. You understand? But we'll see Sleem video. Sleem, how do you reach on top social media?
On social media, Instagram is It's Your Boy Sleem, ITSURBOYSLIM, Sleem. Facebook is the same, It's Your Boy Sleem. On Twitter is the same, It's Your Boy Sleem.
Okay, It's Your Boy Sleem.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so now don't hear Rambo. Sleem, don't talk. You understand me now? I feel like I fat now. But Sleem, you know, and any which way. So we'll see the video, Focused, and then we'll come back, we'll continue every. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.